SageRAN Unity 5G Indoor Small Cell delivers the lightest and smallest compact form factor available with baseband, radio and antenna, all in one design. The cutting-edge small cell supports multi-frequencies, 2x2 MIMO, and low power consumption, delivers high capacity and low latency for users. It's fast and easy to deploy. You can set up 5G network with single Ethernet cable in 1 minute. And it's best to deploy at indoor scenarios such as residential, public area, and office buildings. It can be deployed in vertical industries as VR, laboratory, emergency, and manufacturing. Its high performance are invaluable assets for industries customers seeking operational improvement. SageRAN makes connection easier.